terminology, it was unclear whether warming by increased greenhouse gas would dominate aerosol indicates cooling. Scientists then often use the term inadvertent climate modification to refer to the human impacts on the climate. The terms global warming and climate change were popularized. The former refers only to increased surface warming. The latter describes the full effects of greenhouse gas in the gases on the climate. Global warming became the most popular term after NASA climate scientist James Hansen used it in his testimony in the U.S. Senate. The term climate change increased in popularity. Global warming usually refers to human-induced warming of the Earth. Various scientists, politicians, and media figures have adopted the terms climate crisis or climate emergency to talk about climate change and global heating instead of global or warming. The policy editor-in-chief of The Guardian said he included this language in their editorial guidelines to ensure that we are being scientifically praised, while also communicating clearly with readers on this very important issue. Oxford language songs judge climate emergency as its word of the year. Defining is a true situation in which urgent action is required to reduce or halt climate change and avoid paternally irreversible environmental damage result from it. Observed temperature rise. Multiple independent instrumental data sets show that the climate system is warming. Decade warmer to an average compared to the pre-industrial baseline. Surface temperatures are rising by about a temperature of 1 to above the pre-industrial era. The number of cold days and nights has decreased and number of warm days and nights has increased. There was little net warming between the 18th century and the 19th century. Climate information for that period comes from climate process, such as streets and ice cores. Thermometer record began to provide the global coverage around historical patterns of warming and cooling, like the medieval climate anomaly and the little ice age, did not occur at the same times across different regions. Temperatures may have risen as high as north of the late century in a limited set of regions. There have been prehistoric episodes of global warming such as the Valencia Age terminal maximum. Evidence of warming from air temperatures measurements are reinforced with a wide range of other observations. Has been an increase in the frequency and mean and intensity of heavy precipitation, melting of snow and land ice, and increased atmospheric humidity. Flora and fauna are also behaving in a manner consistent with warning. For instance, plants flowering humidity Flora and fauna are also behaving in circle consistent with warming. 2 instance planets are